Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed what? Yes, division of polynomials by using remainder theorem. How to find the remainder, right? Now, the next method is finding the remainder, or else verifying the factor. That is a factorization of polynomials. Factorization of polynomials. Here, in the page number 71, you have factor theorem. So if p of x is a polynomial of degree n greater than or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0. When we can say that the given polynomial is a factor of the another polynomial if p of a is equal to 0, then second one, if p of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of p of x, we can say. Okay, so related to that we have the sums here, and there are some other methods also by using the factor method only. That kind of sums we will discuss. Now move on to page number 74. There, before that you have so many examples that you have to practice. Now come to exercise 4.4. There, determine the following polynomials as x plus 1 as a factor. So your exercise 4.4. Now here we have the first polynomial as p of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and we have to verify this g of x is equal to x plus 1 is a factor of that one or not. In order to do why that is a factor or not, if we verify, since x plus 1 is there, the 0 polynomial becomes what? Minus 1. So p of minus 1 is equal to, if you get 0, then it is a factor. If you are not going to get 0, then it is not a factor. Accordingly, minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 1 square is plus 1. Why means minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. Then plus into minus is minus 1 plus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1 is 0, minus 1 plus 1 is 0. As a result of that we will get 0. Hence it is a factor of the given polynomial. Okay, from the second one. P of x is equal to x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Here also we have to check in the same method. Okay, so now, so minus 1 to the power 4 plus minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4, since the power is even, since it is negative, the negative power is a negative number of, to the power is even, then it becomes positive, so by 1. Here it is odd, as a result of that it becomes minus 1. Then power is even, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, we left with 1. As the remainder is not equal to 0, p of minus 1 is not equal to 0, we can say x plus 1 is not a factor of this expression, that is this polynomial. P of x is equal to x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Got it? How to verify? Next. Shall I go to the fourth one? The fourth one is this one, x cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2x plus root 2. So g of x is x plus 1, then 0 is minus 1. 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. So accordingly minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2 into minus 1, and this is root 2. Now, any doubt in the substitution? No. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. minus 1 square is plus 1 and here it is minus, so by minus 1. This part is plus 1, plus into minus is minus 1. Then minus into minus plus, 2 ones are 2, minus into plus is, minus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus root 2. Here minus into minus is plus 2, right? Then minus into plus is, since it is minus, here also it will become plus. Got it? Plus root 2. See, this minus 1 into minus is plus 1. Plus 1 into anything is plus, and say this plus will go as it is. Now plus 1, minus 1 is minus 2 and plus 2 and sorry, this is minus 2 minus plus 2 plus root 2 minus root 2. So as the result of that, we will get what? Root 2. I repeat, minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1 into minus is minus 1. Now you see here, both are minus. Minus of minus becomes plus, both are plus, and that root 2 as it is. So as a result of that, this minus 1 is minus 2 plus 2, it cancels. We left with 2 roots 2. So as a result of that, 2 root 2 plus root 2 gives you root 2. And use the factor theorem to determine whether the g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following case. So use the factor theorem, it is given. So that main I will explain you in the next class. Come to third main, which will follow this same method. Okay. Now find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. So first one is p of x is equal to x square plus x plus k. And the second expression. Shall I do the third one? Third one is what? P of x is equal to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. We have to verify whether, we have to find out k if x minus 1 is a factor. Since x minus 1 is a factor, so p of 1 is equal to, plus 1 is equal to 0 we have to get. Alright, so p of 1 is equal to, here 1 square is 1, p of 1 is equal to 0, right? So here, since x minus 1 is there, p of 1 should become equal to 0 if it is a factor. So if it is a factor, we have to find out k. So in order to do so, p of 1, if x minus 1 is a factor, then p of 1 is equal to 0. So p of 1 is equal to what? X square plus x plus k is there. So in place of x, you substitute 1. So 1 plus k. Now p of 1 is given as 0. 1 square is 1 plus 1 plus k. 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus k. So we want to find out k. As a result of that, k is equal to what? Minus 2. Got it? In the same way, this method, this step is same. So p of 1 is equal to k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. Now, which is equal to 1 square is 1, k into 1 is k, minus root 2 into 1 is root 2 plus 1. Got it? So here this is a rational number, this is rational number, you cannot able to add that. So this is equal to 0, k is equal to, shift that side, becomes plus root 2 and minus 1. Therefore k is equal to root 2 minus 1. P of 1 is equal to k into, in place of x, 1 square minus root 2 into, in place of x, 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1 into k is k, 1 into root 2 is root 2 plus 1. Okay, so now k minus 2 root 2 plus 1 is, we have to find out k. Shift that side, becomes minus become plus, plus become minus. So in that line, one more sum I will do for you. That is, which one you want? Shall I go to the last one? P of x is equal to k square minus 3x plus k. K of x is k square minus 3x plus k. So now P of 1 is equal to k x square means k of 1 square minus 3 of 1 plus k means k. This is 0, which is equal to 1 square is 1 into k is k minus 3 ones are 3 plus k. Now k plus k is what? 2k minus 3. We want k. Before that you send 3 that side. So 2k is equal to minus 3 become plus 3. We want only k. K is equal to 3 over 2. Got it? How to find? Okay. If it is a factor, then find the value of so and so. Like that, questions will be there for 1 mark and 2 mark. Okay. I hope you followed the method. Next one is factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Only one sum in that way I will do. Remaining we will see in the next class. What is factorize? Which one? 12x square plus, so the minus 7x plus 1. Here, this number and last number by multiplying you should get 12x square. By adding the same two numbers, you have to get minus 7x. See, this is you have to get by adding or subtracting any two numbers. By multiplying you have to get this into this is what? Now 12x square into 1 is 12x square by multiplying. By adding the same two terms, when you have plus by adding, when you have minus here by subtracting. So now understand properly. By multiplying 12x square into 1 is 12x square you have to get by 7. By adding you should get 7x. When you have plus over here and minus here, whatever the two numbers which we are going to choose, both are minus. So accordingly, by adding you have to get 7, by multiplying you have to get 12. The numbers are 4 3s are 4x and 3x. And since we want minus, so minus 7x. Minus into minus is plus. 4 3s is 12. X into x is x square. Okay, so this is the method of finding the factors and to factorize the given expression. Now, take those two terms. That is 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. First and last is same. Here we say split it, we will get that one. Now take the common factor in this, take the common factor in this. 12 and 4, the common factor is 4. X square and x common factor is x. Now, if you take 4x outside, 4 3s are and x minus 4 1s are. Here 3 is there, 1 is there, and you take common factor. So by we left with 3x only, plus become minus since we have taken minus outside, and 1 1s are. Here, see, this should be same. When you take the common factor, then only your factors are correct. So now, the common factor again 3x minus 1, and outside it is 4x minus 1. So factorize like this kind of one sum definitely will be there for midterm also and annual examination also. To factorize this kind of expression, you have to follow this method. Okay, so I explained you in the today's class how to find the remainder using the remainder theorem, and then by factor method, if it is a factor, what is the method to find out the given variable, and this kind of factorization. Okay, practice all this, and this whatever I taught today not only important for this year, it is important for your next year class also. So it needs repeated practice. Do that one. All the best for your midterm examination. Thank you.